Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today's price movement wasn't good. Everybody would agree, good, solid day. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price action? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right here at $1.09. Why is $1.09 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true strength is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.09. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say there's a pretty drastic pullback. It comes all the way down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? So even after the drastic pullback, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this next set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see because that's what truly strong moves do. They make progress over time, and I'm defining quote-unquote progress as $1.09. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this move is going to continue to fight upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? So for this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here. Start to go back a little bit in the chart's history. Always a good problem to have when you have to make the chart a little bit harder to see because you're going so far back. But next key, or really current level of resistance right there at $1.22. So it's currently doing battle with that one right now. Couldn't quite close above it, so still got to consider the level of resistance. After the $1.22 mark, next key overall one up there at the $1.32 mark. So that makes it easy. $1.22, $1.32, next couple battlegrounds. No doubt about it, though. Very nice day today. So now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.